everyone, and welcome back to our English Listening Practice podcast. This podcast is made especially for English learners who want to improve their listening, speaking, and daily communication skills. I'm Jessica, and I'm so happy you're listening today.
Hi friends, my name is Mike. Thank you for joining us.
This podcast is made for English learners who want to improve their listening and speaking skills.
You can listen while relaxing, walking, or doing daily work.
Today, we will practice 100 daily English questions and answers.
These questions are very common in real life.
You don't need to remember everything, just listen and enjoy.
If you want, pause the podcast and repeat after us.
Mike, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you, Jessica?
I'm feeling good and calm today.
That's nice to hear.
What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
Wow, that's early. Do you feel sleepy?
Yes, sometimes I feel very sleepy. My alarm rings many times.
I understand. I wake up at 7, but even that feels early sometimes.
What is the first thing you do after waking up?
First, I stretch my body and take a deep breath.
That sounds healthy.
Then I check my phone.
Many people do that. It's a common habit.
Do you drink tea or coffee in the morning?
I drink coffee every morning. It helps me wake up.
I prefer tea because it feels light and relaxing.
Tea is a good choice too.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs, bread, and fruit.
That sounds very healthy. What about you?
I eat something simple like toast and tea.
Do you eat breakfast at home or outside?
I eat at home.
Me too. Eating at home saves money.
Yes, and you know what you're eating.
How do you go to work or school?
I go by bus.
Is the bus crowded in the morning?
Yes, it's usually very crowded.
That can be stressful.
Do you listen to music or podcasts while traveling?
Yes, I often listen to English podcasts.
That's a great way to learn.
Do you like your work or studies?
Yes, I like what I do.
That's very important for happiness.
I agree. What do you do during your work or study time?
I focus on my tasks and take short breaks.
Taking breaks helps the brain.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I eat rice, vegetables, and sometimes chicken.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, simple food is my favorite.
Do you eat lunch alone or with others?
I usually eat with friends.
Eating together is nice.
Do you drink water during the day?
Yes, I try to drink water many times.
That's a very good habit.
Do you feel tired in the afternoon?
Yes, especially after lunch.
Me too. That's when I feel sleepy.
Same here.
Do you take a nap in the afternoon?
Sometimes, but only for a short time.
Short naps can give energy.
What do you do after work or school?
I rest for a while and then practice English.
That's a good routine.
How do you practice English every day?
I listen to podcasts, watch videos, and repeat sentences.
Repeating is very important.
Do you speak English with other people?
Sometimes with friends and sometimes alone.
Talking to yourself helps a lot.
Yes, and you can practice anytime. What do you do in the evening?
I relax, listen to music, or watch videos.
I like reading or planning the next day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like calm and soft music.
I like pop music, but not too loud.
Do you watch TV every day?
No, not every day.
Same here. Too much TV is not good.
What kind of TV shows do you like?
I like learning and travel shows.
I enjoy comedy shows.
Comedy makes people happy. Do you watch movies?
Yes, mostly on weekends.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy and family movies.
Do you watch movies alone or with family?
Usually with family.
That sounds nice.
Do you use social media?
Yes, but not too much.
That's a healthy habit.
What social media app do you use the most?
YouTube. I learn English there.
Me too. YouTube is very helpful.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like short books.
Reading improves vocabulary.
What do you do in your free time?
I listen to podcasts, read, or relax.
I like walking and listening to music.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk every day.
Walking is easy and good for health.
Do you like mornings or nights?
I like mornings because they feel fresh.
I prefer nights. You're a night person.
Yes, I am.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit an English-speaking country.
Do you like shopping?
Not really.
Same here. Online shopping is easier. What do you usually buy online?
Clothes and small gadgets.
I buy books and home items.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, most days.
Me too.
What time do you usually eat dinner?
Around 8 o'clock.
I eat a little earlier.
What do you do after dinner?
I talk with family and relax.
I listen to music or podcasts.
Do you like learning English with podcasts?
Yes, podcasts are very helpful.
You can learn anywhere.
Do you plan your day?
Yes, I plan every night.
Planning saves time.
What do you do before sleeping?
I avoid my phone and relax.
That helps sleep.
What time do you sleep?
Around 11.
Same here.
Do you sleep well?
Most nights, yes.
Good sleep is important.
What makes you happy?
Learning new things and helping people.
Spending time with family makes me happy.
What makes you tired?
Too much screen time.
I agree.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, they feel peaceful.
I like them too.
Do you like hot or cold weather?
I like cold weather.
I like mild weather.
Do you have a favorite color?
Yes, blue.
Mine is green.
Do you have any pets?
No, but I like animals.
Me too.
Do you feel more confident in English now?
Yes, more than before.
Practice really works.
What advice do you want to give English learners?
Practice daily, even for a short time.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Thank you for listening to our English Listening Practice podcast.
We hope this episode helped you learn daily English questions and answers.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep improving.
If you enjoy, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone, and happy learning.